Ever pull things out of your family's blue jean or jacket pockets while you're doing the laundry? Well, today we're going to create a lost and found basket. Join me. Lip balm, money, papers, keys, driver's license, wallet, candy, headphones. You'd be surprised what you find in the pockets whenever you're doing laundry. Well, we're going to create a lost and found basket that lives in the laundry room. First, let's decide on a central location. We don't want it to be on the counter. This basket can get full quickly and look cluttered just sitting on the counter. So we want to put it up on a shelf. We want to put it in the cabinet with the detergent. We want to put it in our linen closet, in our broom closet. We just want to find a place in the laundry room where this basket can live. If you'd like to get really creative, you can write lost and found basket on a piece of paper, print it out, laminate it, and put it on the side of the basket. That way everyone who opens the door to the cabinet to get out the detergent can see, oh, lost and found basket. Mom is so smart. Tell your family about the basket. Make sure your husband knows when he can't find a business card he picked up at the doctor yesterday, he needs to check the lost and found. Or maybe your daughter's homework list was in her pocket and now she can't figure out where it is. Make sure she knows to check the lost and found basket in the laundry room. Whenever you go to do laundry, this basket can get full quickly. Lots of stuff in our pockets, right? Well, once a week before laundry day, we're going to do a basket clean out. All of the important stuff that your family needs, we're going to pull out of the basket and set on their nightstand in their bedroom or their desk, wherever they normally are, and they'll see it. We just want to make sure we get everything out of the basket, throw the extra stuff away, maybe make a little jar in your bathroom that you can throw all the extra chapstick and stuff into, just as long as the basket is clean and ready for the next week's load of laundry. Do you have an idea for a video? Maybe you have a great organization tip, or you need some specific help in an area of your house or your life that you need organizational guidance. Please leave me a comment down below and let me know. I would love to hear from you. Share this video with all your friends. Social media, let's see, we got Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Google+, all those things. Share this video. Everyone can use a little organizational help in their lives. Give me a thumbs up. Please like and share this video. Thank you.